All right, supposed to be a drop coming up.
Like the geese, right in the middle of it, eh?
Yeah. They're okay. They're happy.
Yeah, I look at this and I think you go right and miss it all.
Yeah. Well, it might be below this. Who knows, you know. We'll find out, I guess. I guess we will. Yeah, I'll put that up here. That might work better. Now he's going right. I guess so. Yeah, I guess so. Anyways, keep your eye on him. You'll see where he's going. Seems to be left up there. Now he's going more left. Now he's hard left. Okay, now he's cutting right. There's a drop right here, I guess. Let's go to the right. I see what he's talking about. Oh yeah, we're gonna go back right. Hard right. Straighten this out. Beautiful. That was excellent. Another hard right. Now that was a good drop. Look at these guys' boat. Uh-oh.
Now we want to stay straight.
Okay, we will. Give him some room.
Yeah.
Probably through here. Okay, spin it to the right. Might be a rescue going on here.
They're going to pin.
Yeah. Yeah, they got it almost off. We almost got it. All right, can you pop out? Hang on.
Okay. You want to throw them a rope?
Yep.
Go ahead, I got the boat.
Oh, the boat's gone.
No, we'll get done. They need a rope.
Hang on. Hang on, just wait. There's no panic yet. Give me a second, I gotta tie off. Use your paddle. Go like this. Put your paddle upstream. That's it. And lean into it. Or you just sit down and go across. What you could do, Jeff, you could sit down like this and just go across. Or like that. That's it. And just work your way over. Close. You want to chuck it?
Okay, I'll do better shot this time. One more?
Yeah. Okay, hang on, hang on. Okay, ready? Now, Isa, you can do that, or you can go out like this. Okay. Okay. Excellent. Good job.
Thank you for that. Okay.
Well, the issue with all this stuff, it's better to go right straight with it. So if you hit something, you glance off it.
We did. We took on enough water though.
Yeah, you were filled here. Yeah, you were full. I could see you were very low. But you know, if you can get it straight, then if you hit something, you glance off it.
Oh, once we were full, so we couldn't straighten out. I was struggling to straighten out. Yeah. These are boats. You want to go empty your boat? I'll finish this and catch up.
Yeah, I think they're kind of working on it. So it's actually a good spot right here. It's sunny. We probably could just wrap it up for now. We don't have to stack it because it's probably not that far to go. Never works. Well, I got all that one on camera.
I was thinking just to kind of like lockstep with him across the rapids so we can. I know he's not quite as steady on his feet as I could be, so
Yeah.
if we just did that linked arm, you know, separate.
Yeah, sometimes you could do that. I mean, that's not that deep, but there's a good flow. The other, like I was thinking, you just sit down and if you put the rope under your arm, it pulls your shoulder up. So that keeps you like floating across the water.
Yeah.
But it worked out okay. We didn't drown him. Yeah.
That was one.
Yeah, the boat was getting squished a bit there.
Yes, I was.
Yeah.
But I think he was used.
I'm glad you guys pulled it enough. That was good.
Sorry about your boat.
Heart keeps straight.
It was like Eddie at the time with
Missed that Eddie here.
well, we were so busy trying to like not.
Well, it's interesting negotiating with somebody, you know, and you haven't done it for a year, I suppose, or 6 months.
Yeah, you know, but Eddie lost after the count. Yeah. And then we so he's on Joe tried to help Eddie out.
Well, that's fantastic. You got 2 saves, and yeah, that's great. And you make me feel better.
Well, you have a T rescue.
Yeah, we did.
We have a pin almost.
Yeah,
And we had, what else do we have? Broken seat.
and a broken seat. This has been a top Thank goodness we're not.
And
in
it's
the middle of
beautiful
Utah.
sun right now, and it's a balmy 3 or 4 degrees. But the sun's out, it's great.
Oh yeah, that's fantastic. Gorgeous actually.
Yeah, oh, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Oh my.
Actually, there's quite a few spots you can go down
Yeah,
from here.
I actually
Really all
before.
that except that little middle thing.
Yeah.
That's all you
Set
can do
it
it.
up more. I'm just more interested in watching people seeing how things are going. Fantastic.
All right, perfect. We're ready for another adventure. We're good. Okay,
Oh wait, my paddles are where, Gary? Over there?
that way I think. All right, there we go. Well, we did a good job.
Yep.
You know, we hit a good little slot there. It was perfect, I thought. We're exiting. Now, hit my paddle. Yes. All right. On a big rock.
Let me, Chris,
Sure.